Despite having used an iPhone as my primary device for several years, I recently switched to the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra when it was released earlier this month. After using it as my daily driver for nearly 4 months, thoroughly impressed with its performance and overall user experience. However, it should be noted that I initially struggled with the user interface due to my long-term use of iPhones, but I eventually adapted to Samsung's OneUI. As my primary device, I experienced absolutely no lag while using the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. The phone excels in all aspects, including camera performance, overall speed, and battery life. However, the crucial question remains, is the phone worth its price tag? However, as a regular user, I don't see much practical use of the S Pen feature and think that Samsung could consider removing it in the future, though it remains to be seen if they will do so in the next iteration or not. With a design similar to its predecessor, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is available in several attractive color options, including green, phantom black, lavender, and cream. Personally, I find the classic green color option to be very premium looking. The S Pen, on the other hand, is only available in black with all variants and is conveniently located at the bottom of the phone. However, I did not find much use for the S Pen, except for taking group selfies. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra features a design similar to the S22 Ultra with a quad rear camera setup that includes a 200-megapixel primary camera and LED flash. The phone's flat design is present on both the front and back, which is a departure from the curved displays that most manufacturers are currently using. The Ultra has slim bezels and a center-placed hole punch for the camera. At the bottom, you can find the S Pen, speaker grills, SIM tray, and USB Type-C port. Similar to Samsung's other recent releases, the Galaxy S23 Ultra does not come with the charger included. The right side of the phone features the screen lock button and volume rockers, while the left side is left empty. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra has a sturdy build that feels like it can withstand some wear and tear without issue. Despite Samsung's efforts to balance the weight of the device, it still feels slightly heavy in the hand. The camera on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is an improvement over the already fantastic camera on the S22 Ultra. The phone features a quad rear camera setup highlighted by the newly introduced 200-megapixel ISOCELL HP2 sensor. The setup also includes a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and another 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 10x optical zoom. The camera performance of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is impressive, as it captures fantastic photos in nearly all lighting conditions. In good lighting, the smartphone produces photos with exceptional detail and true-to-life colors. While there are various camera modes available, I found that I could take great photos without using any filters or modes. In my personal experience, I found the portrait shots taken by the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra to be impressive. These photos exhibited good detail, with a properly blurred background and sharp, distinct edges. Additionally, the phone's 100x zoom capability is even more impressive, as it allows for extreme close-ups while retaining both detail and color. Even in low light, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra does a great job. Under the hood, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is powered by a customized Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which Samsung claims delivers improved performance. This customized chip, called the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 platform for Galaxy, is paired with up to 12 gigabytes of RAM and up to 1 TB of internal storage. During my 4 months usage of the Galaxy S23 Ultra as my primary phone, I was impressed by its performance. The powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor made multitasking and gaming a breeze. However, extended gaming sessions caused the phone to heat up, but it cooled down quickly. Whether switching between apps or scrolling through social media apps like Instagram or Twitter, the Galaxy S23 Ultra remained lag-free. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra runs on Samsung's OneUI 5.1 skin, which is based on Android 13. The software is user-friendly and doesn't have any unwanted ads or bloatware, while the phone comes with a few pre-installed third-party apps that can be uninstalled if necessary. The Galaxy S23 Ultra offers excellent battery life that lasts a full day on a single charge. It supports 45-watt fast charging, but the charging brick is not included, though the box includes the cable. The phone can be fully charged in 40 to 50 minutes. After using the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra for nearly 4 months, I can say that it is one of the most complete Android devices out there in the market right now. So if you are willing to spend $1,000+ on a smartphone, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is definitely the one for you. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.